Hello, I am Jim Van Drunen, Vice President of Oshawa Sand and Gravel. We are an aggregate producer, currently have a fleet of 6 dump trucks and 8 stone spreaders. We bought our first stone slinger in 1978. And through the years of operation, came up with ideas to make the product better. When we presented these ideas to the manufacturer, we were told that they had been building them for 20 years. Why would they change them for us? During the fall of 1996, we stopped in at Baylynx on a whim and have been a customer of theirs ever since. We immediately felt they wanted to work with us and they were generally concerned about their customers' needs. Over the years, we have purchased 15 stone spreaders from Baylynx, rotating newer models into the fleet as the designs changed and improved. We now operate 8 multi-cat spreaders and we're very happy with them. In this business, to maximize profit, you need to increase payloads while reducing maintenance costs and downtime. Each new design from Baylynx did this, but they were at a point where they felt to lighten their steel bodies any further would compromise the strength of the unit. That following the dump industry's trend to aluminum was the only way to go. So we thought, if the spreader was going to be redesigned, we would redesign every aspect, from style of the body, to the weight on loads, to the way the throw conveyor swings and throws. There is much less maintenance to keep an Ultralight on the road. There is not one chain or sprocket to maintain. With the Ultralight, we can haul an additional ton of material on every load. Based on an average of 6 loads per day, 5 days a week, 40 weeks in a year, along with the reduced maintenance costs, I estimate the Ultralight will put an additional $160,000 in my pocket over the life of the machine. Because we also deliver the materials that we produce, we also require that we have dump trucks in our fleet. With the high-speed offload feature, the Ultralight runs neck and neck with my dumps. And since there's virtually no weight difference between a steel dump and aluminum slinger, this unit will do dump and spreader loads each day. If we have a situation where there are clearance issues, we can send the Ultralight. If he's running past one of our pits on the way back to the yard, he grabs a load and hauls in for our stock. I basically get 2 trucks in one. Anyone delivering aggregate for a living today definitely needs to seriously consider adding the Ultralight to their fleet. This truck works all day, every day. The Ultralight has met every one of our requirements. Bigger, better, stronger, faster, lighter.
Baylynx Manufacturing presents the Ultralight all-aluminum stone spreader. The Ultralight is noticeably larger, with a 22 cubic yard capacity, which is an increase of 2.5 cubic yards over the conventional steel spreader we have been producing till now. We've also added dimension to our feed belt, making it 22 inches wide, with a 19-inch effective throat opening. The Ultralight also has an improved wireless remote system, with improved ergonomic design in a robust and durable frame. Direct drive motors mean that there are fewer moving parts. There is not one chain or sprocket on the entire machine. The solid one-piece throw conveyor and 14-inch Endura belt provide a tighter, cleaner throw and, as a result, a much more accurate delivery of product. Speaking of accuracy, the operator can monitor every element of the delivery process from inside the cab. It's not even necessary to leave the cab at all during high-speed offloads. The Ultralight is also equipped with grease-filled tensioners for simple, trouble-free adjustments and easy bearing replacement. The Ultralight is stronger than its steel partner, with interlocking square tube aluminum panels and custom-designed extrusions that are finely fused together to produce this solid, rigid, yet lightweight and even beautiful machine. The Ultralight is not just beautiful. The low maintenance and longer life add to its financial benefits, and the reduced drag improve the overall fuel efficiency. The high-speed offloading feature will allow you to deliver 53,000 pounds of aggregate in as little as 70 seconds. Just think how many more loads per year that could translate into. The overall weight reduction of the Ultralight is an amazing 2,500 pounds. With the reduced drag of the finish and the reduced weight of the spreader, your fuel cost will also be dramatically reduced, not to mention the fact that your Ultralight won't be shy about getting on the scale. the Baylynx Ultralight. Bigger, better, stronger, faster and lighter. The Baylynx Ultralight. The word is spreading.